welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be recreating Rose makeup of Blackpink. And I think her makeup is very pretty and I can't wait to recreate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below for any looks you want to see. And let's get started. For primer, I'm going to use the sensational from Essence. Don't worry guys, I will list all the products that I use in the description below. For foundation, I'm going to use the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation from Catrice. Concealer, I'm going to use the Infallible concealer from L'Oreal. This is number 328, the biscuit. I'm going to set everything with a Flawless Pressed Powder from Me. I'm going to use the Mimi Beautiful Brow Pencil. I'm going to use the James Charles palette. First, I'm going to take this one. For my eyeliner, I'm going to use the soap glue. to use the Fine Line Define Liquid Waterproof Brush Liner from Mekka. I'm just going to highlight with the Mekka Makeup Metallic Highlighter Palette. For blush, I'm going to use this from my James Charles palette. For the lips, I'm going to use the number 7 lipstick. This is the Soft Earth 700. Color is like this. For mascara, I'm going to use the Maybeline Sensational. Rose has some diamonds under her eyebrows. I'm just going to mimic that with some glitter. This is from Pura Glitter Eyeshadow. So that's it for the final look. Don't forget to leave a comment below for any makeup looks you want to see. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye!